Ever feel like you're wrestling with bulky equipment just to manage your fiber optics? Well, this DINSpace SNAP-12ST-MM compact fiber optic patch panel might just be the answer you've been looking for. It's incredibly small, designed to fit neatly into control cabinets, where space is always at a premium. What really impressed me is its versatility. You can mount it on a DIN rail, which is super convenient for industrial setups, or even surface mount it. This little guy is built tough, with an 18-gauge powder-coated steel enclosure that feels really solid. It's UL listed and CE certified, so you know it meets industry standards, and they even back it with a lifetime warranty on materials and workmanship. That's a huge vote of confidence. It comes preloaded with 6-ohm 3-ohm 4 multimode SD duplex adapters, ready to go. One of the neat features is the sliding faceplate with a capture mechanism. This means you can keep the panel open hands-free while you're working, which is a small detail but makes a big difference when you're dealing with delicate fiber connections. It also includes a splice tray, so you can easily fuse your field cabling, though you'll need to grab your own pigtails. The IP20 ingress protection means it's protected against solid objects larger than 12.5, which is decent for most indoor applications. Cable management is straightforward with 2 cable glands that can handle cables up to 12 mm diameter, with a 14 mm option available if you need it. Performance-wise, the insertion loss is rated at a very respectable 0.3 dB for multimode, which is excellent for maintaining signal integrity. It can handle a wide range of temperatures, from -40 to +80 degrees Celsius for storage and transport, and operates well in humidity levels from 10% to 95% non-condensing. Overall, if you need a compact, robust, and easy-to-install fiber optic patch panel for tight spaces, the DINSpace SNAP-12ST-MM is a seriously compelling option. It packs a lot of functionality into a small footprint and feels like a quality piece of equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.